Did you know that your oxidation system gets sticky? Your white blood cells produce oxidative bursts, like myeloperoxidase, to fight infections. Every time that happens, you create a little bit of a clot. You do this because neutrophils activate platelets. This makes it a lot easier for immune cells to stick to other dead immune cells, or dead debris, or pathogens. This is both good and bad, because you want to heal up the wound every time you create a wound, but bad because if you have a lot of pathogens to kill, a lot of virus to kill, then you create a lot of clotting. When there are pathogens, those things that create those oxidative bursts, they release essentially nets. They cast out their DNA into the extracellular space to try to capture bacteria, or parasites, or fungi, or viruses. When they do that, they release these mediators that are able to snip something called the glycocalyx. The glycocalyx is this hair-like structure that lines your blood vessels. It makes it easy so red blood cells can smoothly pass over like jello. When you lose that glycocalyx layer, you lose access to your microcapillary system. Your microcapillary system runs from your head to your toe to all your organ systems and your nerves. So having a bunch of microclots everywhere and having issues with your vascular system makes it really hard to pump blood anywhere. So when you lose your microcapillary system and you have a whole bunch of clots occurring everywhere, it's really hard to pump blood and oxygen everywhere. It's hard to get the nutrients that you need to anywhere in the body. It's hard to take away waste products and excrete that. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways the body can get stuck and sticky. You can see why people drink celery juice, because celery juice increases blood flow to the brain. Or why people do infrared panels, because infrared panels increase blood flow through the capillary system. I've studied so many mechanisms for this pathology. It's crazy. My database is huge, and I don't mean to be bragging there. But what I do like to brag about is my guide called Junction Dysfunction. It can walk you through the steps on post-viral illness, anything from long C to long ABV like I had. Junction Dysfunction is all about the post-septic microsepsis that you get after an infection, and how your tight junctions open up and create feedback loops. Because you are a self-reorganizing feedback system, you have to know how to get that system to work back again. It's called Junction Dysfunction.